What is going on, guys? Ryan here, or R1 Carbon. Today is just a bit of a random video, testing out a new mic, a new camera. I'm very out of breath, a little bit sick, but yeah, come along for the ride. I hope you enjoy. I don't know how good it's all going to be. I have filmed some stuff earlier, just testing it all out, so hopefully we can have some fun. But yeah, see you on the road. Peace. Okay, so I'm hoping that the mic is going to pick up my sound or my voice more than the wind. Let's oh yeah, let's see how this works, how this goes. Ooh, big bang. Obviously the AGV Pista is pretty windy, so I'm just trying to figure out a good alternative. I'm most likely going to need a dead cat or something, just to figure out the wind noise and the turbulence. But the mic 2 in this helmet it just didn't work. So hopefully you will enjoy the ride, enjoy the POV. I haven't posted in 9-10 months. I'm hoping it's something we're going to get back to. It's just I've been extremely busy. There's been a few health issues, but we will come back properly. I focused on Instagram quite a lot, sort of really enjoyed it. Wow, these backfires are crazy today. What's going on? I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but I definitely could. The one good thing is that the microphone isn't clipping right now. It shows on the screen. I've got the mic pretty high up, so I'm hoping it's okay. We are doing 110 right now, so it's all about testing to see what works, what doesn't work. I am using the DJI Lav mic rather than the mic 2 as I said earlier. I've also got it connected to the INSTA360 Ace Pro that a good friend of mine, Nano Drop, gifted me. It's pretty nice weather today. It is Ramadan in Dubai, so you can't really be eating, drinking, smoking outside during the day, but just fine. I mean, do it in your car, do it wherever. So yeah, I'm hoping that the wind noise is not killing the quality right now of the microphone. But like I said earlier on, I'm probably going to need some dead cat on this. I don't know if you can even get them for the Lav mic, but I'm hoping it's a good alternative to the mic 2. It's the mic 2 which is way too big. I used to use a Shark when I was motovlogging, but the Shark had quite a lot of room, so I could put it in there no problem at all, with connect it with some magnetic tape. But this helmet, there's just no room in the front end. It's obviously a bit of a tighter fitting helmet, and I have two of these AGV pieces, but yeah, they're both the same. So I'm hoping that it's okay. So what I'm going to do shortly is I'm going to pull over at the petrol station, have a look at some of the some of the footage and the sound, and then I'll go from there. I'm probably going to miss the sunset. Sunset is looking pretty nice, but it is behind me. But yeah, hopefully it's okay. But if it's not, you know what, we live, we learn, and I don't know, buy a new helmet maybe. Another helmet. Right now I have the Shark helmet. It was good, it's just quite heavy. I then have this AGV Pista. I then have another AGV Pista Electrum. So like one of 2,000 pieces made, which I love that helmet. I was then sponsored by a company called ILM, and they gave me an ILM helmet. So I have a few helmets, but the Pista just looks great, it feels great, it's quite tight fitting, and I've not got the biggest of heads, so it is just an ideal helmet. The only thing is I kind of want to look cool whilst I'm motovlogging, but I suppose there's going to have to be sacrifices made somewhere along the line from wanting to look cool and maybe taking this up as something a bit more permanent, and focusing a bit more. Obviously, when I say permanent, you can't really motovlog in the summer here because it's just so hot. You know, 50 degrees, the camera will just absolutely melt. I had this camera on the other day whilst I was just playing around with it in my car, and it's like 32 degrees. Had the AC on and it's still overheated, which is no problem with the camera itself. It's just Dubai is just extremely hot. All right. Ooh, bumpy. So I had a look at the footage and the audio, and it seems to be okay. So if you can be the judge and let me know, I think there's going to have to be a little bit of post editing there, but hopefully we can manage for this video. Definitely say I'm going to need a dead cat, and maybe hopefully it doesn't sort of bang up against the helmet as much. Well, I was going on my shifts there. Quick shift being a bit of a pain by the looks of it. Shifts are okay. Yeah. No. Maybe it's me being a fool while I was trying to focus on the camera more than actually riding. Not the smartest cookie. Hello, sunshine. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to head into downtown, have a little ride around, just because a lot of Dubai, when you're traveling around, you are on highways. So me trying to test this bike out on highways when I know that I'm not going to deck it on there, it's just a sponge, it's just going to be pure wind noise. So I'm going to head into downtown and just test the mic at low speeds, and hopefully I can order a dead cat from somewhere for this and start making a few videos again. I don't think I'm going to be completely set just on YouTube. Instagram is, I do enjoy the photos and the rollers, and I'm not socially awkward. Guys haven't got a clue on what I should be talking about, so I think that's something that I'm going to have to learn and engage to figure out, which is fine. It's okay. I just have no clue what to talk about during these videos. I am in the slowest possible lane, driving at the speed limit, just because I know the wind noise is pretty bad, and I hopefully want to make something out of this footage. But if it doesn't work, it's okay. We live, we learn, we reset, and we do something different. I can feel the wind noise, the wind is picking up quite a lot right now. I don't know what it looks like on the camera because I can't see it. I've got ND16 on and it's getting pretty dark. I thought I'd be able to catch a sunset in downtown, but I think I'm just gonna miss it really. Yeah, it's getting dark pretty quickly. So maybe I need to rethink the plan there. Just realised as well, with this camera, I cannot see the sat nav, so I sit back a bit. Sat nav, wow, I am showing my age. Really showing my age there. Damn. I'm hoping you can see the version of view. I'm hoping it's not too dark. I've got so much to learn with this camera stuff. Well, it's an action camera. Bit of a newbie to this. There's I focused on again photos, rollers, taking pictures, taking videos. I'm sure the content will get better. I mean, I started my Instagram, or I got this bike actually November, what are we now, 26, so 24, and I got invited to a shoot, and I really enjoyed it. And yeah, and then I started posting properly January the 1st, 2025, and I had, gosh, 175 followers. There is a picture on my social media, on my Instagram. And now it's sort of just gone really well. I've really enjoyed it, and I mean, that's 60,000 followers, which, I mean, I'm not one to, but oh my god, look at me. 60,000 followers is pretty cool, and I've really enjoyed the learning of something different. So I'm a fitness coach, and learning, you know, Da Vinci, I never thought I'd need to learn sort of videography stuff in Photoshop and Lightroom, and I've met so many great friends through this. And being an expat in Dubai, it can be pretty tough. It can be pretty lonely. So yeah, I've really enjoyed the wholesome moments. Okay, so I just pulled over just very quickly, just to change the ND filter. Now let's rock into downtown. It might still be a bit too dark, but it's okay. Oh my gosh, every traffic light. New one of those, every traffic light I stop at I get hit? I think so. Open my visor. This helmet is I had to put that pretty high because I'm pretty short, so I had to like move the camera to put the visor up and down, which is a bit of a pain, but it is quite dusty here, so I always need the visor down really. But I've got this issue at the moment, which is it's called Bell's palsy, which means that the right side of my face decided to just stop working fully. I can still blink, but it's pretty tough, so it's getting quite dry, so if I get anything in my eyes it's just a bit painful. Right, yeah, this is downtown Dubai. It's stunning, super chilled. I mean, it gets pretty busy with traffic, with tourism, because you got the big old Burj there, you got Dubai Mall there. See, this is the issue with me motovlogging now. I need some ideas, some conversation starters, because I have no clue what to talk about. Like, what does one talk about, huh? Oh man, every light so far. One of those days, huh? I was flying. Oh, I can't even go right. No! No, I wanted to go right. Oh damn. Oh man, I thought I could go right, but I can't. Oh damn. That's annoying. Having to get a little view of the brush. But that didn't work, did it? Didn't go to plan. And I did live in downtown Business Bay for, what, 2 years? 2 years? 2 years, so I should really know that by now. And one of my clients does there as well, so shows me that I am not better than Waze. Good old was they. Well, here is the Burj Khalifa though. You can see all of that. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Tallest building in the world. It is pretty incredible though. Pretty incredible. How is the film going? Is it bright? Is it not bright? It looks a little bit dark actually. Ah, it is what it is. Ooh. I couldn't even close my visor because it's another red light. Yay! It's not my day with these lights today. Not my day with these lights today. Alright, well look, I think that's enough testing for now. I might turn the camera back on when it's night time and try out this pure video mode, but if not, ladies and gents, it's been an absolute pleasure. And I will say peace now. So peace. Bye.